Hey, what's going on? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. So today what I wanted to do is a quick tutorial on the Bitmoji app. A lot of times when I am doing my YouTube thumbnails or I'm in a conversation with somebody and I put one of these Bitmoji apps, people get a really big kick out of it and they enjoy them, and then they ask how to do them. And I simply tell them, just go to your iPhone or Google Play Store and download the app. But for some reason, sometimes the same people will keep saying, it's like, I love those things. How do you do them? It's like, I've already told you how to do them. But I guess it told me that I should maybe make a quick video about this. So that's what I'm doing. Anyways, so let's go to my YouTube channel. So if you see these little cartoon characters that I put on, so basically you go to the Bitmoji app, try to design something that looks remotely like you, and then they have a collection of different Bitmojis that you can use. So like when I'm doing something about the direct mail industry, I'll use like the mailbox. If I'm doing something for e-commerce, I use that retail therapy one. But I mean, there's literally hundreds of different Bitmojis. Anytime it's make money online related, I'll use something with cash or money. So how does it work? Okay, well, you go here to the Bitmoji app and you just have like tons of different things. So the ones I use a lot for traditional conversation are usually the birthday ones, or hi, or if something's funny, laugh out loud. However, it got me thinking, well, hey, can I use this for business too? Of course, because you have these money ones. So if you're teaching people to make money online or something, those ones will work. If you're in the fitness niche, you got these cool ones. So if you wanted to do a video on leg exercises, you can use that one. Or, if you want some cardio ones, so whatever the case may be. So there's different ways to do it. So as you saw on my YouTube channel, I use them in a lot of my videos. And when I'm chatting with friends or clients, whatever I'm doing inside Instant Messenger, whenever I see an opportunity to send one, I send one. And they're really good conversation starters. So here's the thing. How do I use them for my YouTube thumbnails? Because this is really important. You need to email them to yourself. So, you'd take one of these, copy them, go to your Gmail, paste it, and email it to yourself. When you do that, it'll remove the background. If you don't, then the background's always going to be white, which means that all of your YouTube thumbnails will have to have a white background. Well, as you saw, I don't like to do that. I like to use different color backgrounds, yellow, green, purple, whatever the case may be. So I needed the background removed. And I'm not sure how it just came about. I was emailing a few to myself just to store them. And when I downloaded them on my computer, I noticed that the background was gone. I was like, oh, well, this is great. Now I don't have to use a background removing software. So it saved me some time. So that's just a quick tip. So on my phone, I'll just go to my Gmail. I'll open up an email and I'll copy and paste the few Bitmojis I want to use. I email it to myself. When I get on my computer, I download them. Then I go into Canva, or if you all use Photoshop or whatever, Canva is the easiest for me to make YouTube thumbnails and Facebook posts, things like that. So then I will just upload those Bitmojis with the backgrounds removed. I'll upload them on Canva, and then I'll just do my thing. So I can do another video on that. So that one would have to be on my desktop or my laptop, but at least you kind of get the idea of how I use these Bitmoji apps and how you can use them too. I don't think I've left anything out, but if you do have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. But I'm pretty self-explanatory. So, well, I guess the other thing I could do is if you go to your avatar. So like if I wanted to change my hairstyle or something, I'm not going to do it. I don't want to mess with it. But, if I wanted to change my hairstyle, I could. And, if I wanted to add facial hair, I could. Now let's go. Let me see where the wardrobe is. Okay. If I wanted to put a hat on, or hey, I could put a turban on too. Amazing. All right. All right. So here we kind of go. Let's go into the pants. Let's say if I wanted to put on a pair of black pants. Wow. See, this is why I don't take my shirt off. Anyways, that's quite funny. Let's go ahead and dress me up real quick. Okay. All right. So these are tops. Sometimes they have like designer clothes. I'm not sure why I'm not seeing that. Hang on. Exit. Okay, here we go. Fashion. Maybe that's where it is. Oh, okay, here we go. See, I didn't have to take my shirt off. I could just do a whole outfit. So if I want to put on like a tracksuit, something like that. It's really fun. They have sometimes they'll have like Nike stuff, Jordan stuff. They'll have different sports teams. It just depends who they have a deal with that month, I guess. I'm not sure exactly how they do that. So, kind of winter wear, hoodie. Yeah, that actually looks fairly similar to the type of clothes I wear right now. Now, I have been on a weight loss journey. I've lost 35 pounds, so maybe I can give myself a break and take off the love handles, but that's fine, whatever the case may be. Let's see. So these are all outfits. So, okay, new arrival. Okay, so the ones at the top are the new arrivals. Let's see. I don't know why I'm being all picky about this now, but I don't like that. I don't like that either. Okay, well, I can always come back and change it. I just wanted to see. See, this is more winter stuff, so if you want a winter outfit. Oh, okay. That definitely looks more like me. Okay. If I want to change the pants. Oh, there we go again. See, that's why I didn't want to do that. Okay, we're just going to go with a fashionable outfit. Okay, how about shoes? Can I change my shoes? Yes, I can change my shoes. So if you want high tops, low tops, whatever. Okay, that outfit doesn't look bad. I know I'm taking too much time on this, but it actually becomes a little bit fun. But anyways, let's just go ahead and save what we have. Okay, and then what it does, it goes through all your Bitmojis, and it changes your clothes too. So just a cool little thing you can do. Sometimes there's ones like that one where the clothes will stay the same no matter what, even if you even if you change your clothes, it already has a default clothing setting. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully that helps. Like I said, I can do another video later and show you exactly how I make these on Canva. But I mean, they're pretty easy, so you'll all figure it out. But I will do it anyways. Anyways, hopefully you like this video. Leave a comment below. Give me a like. Subscribe to my channel. Really, really appreciate it. And I will talk to you soon. This is Nick from Dallas. Take care. Bye-bye.